everyone, welcome to my desk. Today I wanted to share with you what's inside my large organizer case from Erin Condren and show you also how I use my bag insert for my technology. Let's get started. First off, I wanted to show off my Erin Condren large organizer case. I use this to store all of my planners and planner supplies, and it's very handy. I'm gonna have a lot of things stuffed in here. So it's seen a lot of wear and tear. I've scotch guarded the outside. There may be some little stains here and there. I don't really care, I don't really baby it, but it's been really functional in that there's this, protective case for everything, and I find it much more useful than an open tote bag. Unfortunately, this is not available right now on Erin Condren's website. I don't see it online, but I do see the bag insert. So this is really large. I just want to show you what it looks like all around, and then I'm gonna open it up inside. So I'm gonna turn the camera. So I had to zoom out on my overhead view, but I'm gonna open it. There's like one big zipper here with some vegan leather zipper handles, and this handle here is also in vegan leather. This actually opens out really nicely, so you can have this sitting on your desk like that, or you could have it, on the floor, which is what I do. Is essentially I take everything out of here if I'm settled into my desk here, or if I'm working in the living room or somewhere in the house. I just have everything. I keep everything inside, and I'll be on the couch and I'll just have this thing flop over. So why don't we first go through the small compartments, because then it's easier, then I can show you everything else inside. So I like to keep washi here, and it's sort of like, I call it my current favorites washi. So these are ones that I just know I think I want to use them in a spread or something, and I like the colors, so I kind of keep them here. So these are some of the new bold blooms from Erin Condren that are out that I have in here, and they stay really well in here. So I like it because these aren't too tall, so it stays in really well in here. They don't fall out. So I keep those in here. And then in the zipper pouch here, I keep the sticky tape and Tombow corrector. So these two are always in here. So I always have that. And then let's go through the other side of where all the planners are. Okay, so this is where I sort of keep my essentials, and it changes, it varies by what planners I'm using or what project I'm doing. Sometimes I have crafty projects in here. I have my Hobonichi pouch. I think when I first unzipped it, I forgot to put this back in here, but that's what I usually keep this back here. Right now I am using the Hemlock and Oak 2024 that I just got recently, just for a fun, creative, journal weekly planner, just to try out the paper and everything. So that's here. Usually I do have my 7x9 Erin Condren coil, but since the month is sort of ending, I moved on from that one. And I have my daily Erin Condren A5 rings, everything in here, that I kind of keep everything in here, and have my, mail that I have to go through. This has been my Erin Condren is actually completely in here. And then in these smaller pockets here, and I put it this way, I like to put my computer glasses in here. So these are in here. Highlighters, the new ones I just got, I haven't put them in my Hobonichi, but I like them in this package right now. I have my Hobonichi weeks, they're here. So these are here on this side. And then this side is perfect for A5. You can fit a petite planner in here, any A5 journal. This is a Sterling Ink A5 compact common planner. I use this for social media right now. I haven't really used this that much, and I have to be honest, I should have known. I don't use a cousin. I never really liked using a cousin, and this size, for some reason, it doesn't really work for me. So I'm just gonna do what I can right now. I'm working on some stuff, which I'll share soon. So that's in here. This is, I like the B6 size. This is my common planner, and I use this as my personal health journal daily notes thing, for research and a place to write stuff, so I don't have scraps of paper everywhere. This is what I use. The bold bloom stickers, because I'm thinking about using these, but I may wait till do my July spread set up my July A5 ring, since it is bold blooms inserts that I got. So I may save these, but I just keep it in here. And then this I have from Planner Kate, which is all my sticky stickers that I make. I use Julie Plan's font, and this is just for me, just to have like pretty headers for all the things I do. I've made boxes for myself, and I just use this. This was previously done in my hourly planner, but I use them also sometimes in my inserts too. So I don't know, I have to make some more. I haven't had time to do that. So this has been pretty handy. I've had this for like, I want to say 2 years maybe. So this is great. So everything fits in here. Everything has its place. I do overstuff it, but my God, it's really held up really well. So I hope they bring it back because I think it's very functional. And just to protect the lace part, I go this way and go in, and it's a tight squeeze. If I didn't have this book in here, it'd be much easier, but I wanted to bring it this weekend. So that's it, and then everything else just sort of zips up really nice. And there you have it. That's the organizer all put together. That's the organizer done here. And I'm gonna show you my bag insert. Okay, this bag insert is like the prettiest laptop case. And I know you can use this for other stuff. You can put your planner in here too. It's very handy, but I like to use it to hold my laptop. And this is what I do. So if I'm traveling somewhere and I need my mouse, I'll usually put my mouse in here. And this is like my iPad plug. So usually I put like little plugs and things in here. So then my laptop fits. I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro. And it fits really nicely in here, and I really love the pattern of the stripes. And then I usually also, if I am traveling, I bring my iPad Pro, the thinner case, because this goes here. I do have the Erin Condren work bag, so this fits really nicely in there with the technology, but you can also put like little papers in here. There's room for pen loops, little card slots, but I don't think I would put anything in there really to get it lost. So I really like this. It's very functional. Similarly, if you didn't have a laptop, take this out. I have a 13-inch iPad Pro, the keyboard, and that can also go in here. Fits in. I have the 11-inch. It's a little bit more roomy for it, but if you had 13-inch, you'd go a little longer. It would still fit in here as well. But it's kind of just a nice way to keep everything organized with the plugs and everything, so everything's there. And then I just like how it matches with my organizer case. So I have both of these together when I'm on the go. So this is right now currently out of stock. This isn't on the website, but hopefully they come back. This one, I hope they says it's coming back soon. So I'll put the link down below, and when it's back, you'll be able to see when it's be able to purchase it, because I think it's very functional, and I just feel like finally getting some tech accessories that are just like prettier than normal laptop cases is a fun way to go. Thanks for watching today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.